Remove this trim panel. Use a plastic pry tool to insert here and pull it up. Then use the pointed end of the plastic pry tool to press here. Push down. Presses the metal clip downward. Pull forward. This is how the metal clip pressed down. Remove the cover plate. Remove this cover plate. Remove the reflector. Pull the door panel outward, starting from the bottom left corner. Then lift it upward. For rear door, we remove this trim panel. Pry open from this corner. After prying open a gap, pull it apart. Then use a small flathead screwdriver to press this metal clip. Pull forward. This position is pressed down like this, same as the front door metal clip. Remove this cover plate. Remove the lower cover plate. Pull up from the corner near the speaker. Lift it up gradually. Slowly lift it upward and remove it. Disconnect this connector. Unplug the speaker connector. Be careful not to use too much force and break it. Remove the 4 fixing screws for the speaker. We route the wire down from here. Place it here. We need to remove the driver and passenger seats. Then remove this side panel and remove this side panel. First, remove this side panel. Then pull it down. Unplug the rear Type-C charging port and this power connector. We need to remove this screen. All the screws on the sides need to be removed, including those on this side. All right, let's take this screen down. Then remove and unplug the 3-pin connector. Plug in our adapter connector. Put it back in. First, remove this cover. Then pull out the trim piece above. Locate the original cigarette lighter plug, this gray one. When routing the wire from behind the screen, be careful not to place it over these clips. Don't let the wire get pinched. Then place the control box under here. Insert the metal pry tool into this gap. Pry up this panel, then pull it up entirely. Remove this cover plate. Pull it down. Route the wire along the floor mat. Place it here. We remove the lower half of the B-pillar trim first. Just pull it outward. It's designed with clips. Pull it to this state and it's fine. Then the wire can be routed from behind. Remove the wireless charging pad. Pull it backward. Remove the cover plate of the original vehicle diagnostic port. Remove the fixing screws of the screen. This M10 screw. And this M10 screw. Here is the position of 2 M10 screws. After removing the screws, take out the screen. After pulling out the screen, lift this panel upward and remove it. Pull it out. Unplug the 2 original connectors behind the screen. One is purple, one is black. Remove the 2 motor connectors of the rotating bracket. 2 brown ones. This side and this side. Remove the black frame. Remove this panel by pulling it outward. Remove the 2 screws on the left and right of the dashboard. Remove this dashboard trim panel. Follow the instruction to install the light strips.